guys, it's your buddy Caden, and welcome to this week's vlog. This week I'm going to be going to a film school where I'm going to be learning some different tips and tricks and some editing things that I can use, which you're going to see very soon in the vlogs. So let's go. So I'm taking a film class at Georgia State University where I'm going to be learning how to make a short film as well. And they're also going to teach us some really cool things that are in movies and just some different angles and shots. So let's jump right into everything.
Several different roles that are going to need to be filled for your crew. And what's going to happen is I'm going to explain them now. Easy. So the roles for our camp. The first role is the director. And we consider this the creative leader of the project.
So here our teacher was explaining to us all the different roles that we're gonna have for the movie. So you have the director, you have the editor, the videographer, the assistant director, the art director, and the script writer. And so all of these roles are very important for filming a movie as they all play their own role. So we were watching some other short films just to get some good inspiration, and we also had the script for one of the films that we were watching. So this was a really good film here, and this is the first page of the script. So right now guys, we're going to eat lunch. We've just been learning a lot, watching some different films, and learning with a scriptwriter program. We had some amazing lunch here today. So they cater in lunch for us, but this was a really great meal. So guys, I'm heading into school today, I guess. But this is the film school that I'm going to for day 2. So guys, today we had a bit of a different scenery. Right now I am getting surrounded by everyone right now to take me a picture. But right now I'm just eating my lunch. We got some Moe's today, so maybe some chips with cheese. And a burrito that I made. So today was a pretty fun day. We were just creating our scripts for our short films that we're gonna be creating. So ours is gonna be really interesting. It's about a mystery killer in the office that's gonna have a pretty cool turn in it. And it's just gonna be really fun.
All right, here we go. Interior boss's office day. It was a new day at work. The documentary crew had been following the office around, trying to recreate the real-life office. Everyone was walking around the building. Suddenly, Finn, a normal worker, was walking around the office. He walked past the boss office and saw that he was dead. The boss was dead. Okay. The boss was dead. Okay. Camera cuts to all the workers seeing the dead body and not saying a word in shock. Cut to Finn talking to coworkers' offices. So the boss is dead. The camera zooms in slightly on Finn. Someone finally got tired of his bullshit. You get one bad word. I think that's...
So guys, that's as much of the script as you get for now. You still do have to wait for the actual full film, but that's just a little sneak preview. So guys, that concludes day 2 of film camp. Running to the car now, because I don't think they're supposed to be parked right here. Hey guys. Yeah, because last time you tried to drive off, Father.
You had a good day?
Yep. So guys, this is what happens in life in the Harris family.
Look at them genetics. Genetics, baby, genetics. Both y'all got hairy arms too. Well, my arms not too hairy.
You know where we
because you shaved them.
Let's see the biceps.
About his arms right here.
Got to break you out. Let's look at that. Look at them kids, boy. Oh, there it is. What you say? What you say? Get Tom.
Okay, then.
What's up?
Just lock his face and you're
You want to flex our abs?
right.
Okay, come on. Come on. You ready?
Kennedy got hers out.
I ain't scared of y'all. I ain't scared of y'all. Ah! 52, baby.
Don't pass out.
Ooh, I know I'm getting dizzy.
So guys, today is day 3. I'm headed in now.
Oh, nice.
So guys, right now we're eating lunch. Today we have some mellow mushroom pizza. So right now guys, we're exploring just some different film spaces that we have and some places that we want to film our movie. And this is my crew that you see with me here. But we're just looking at places that'll make for really good film spots. So guys, that concludes day 3 of the camp, and I am heading to the truck now. So guys, one thing that I have to do with owning the bus and something the business is that I have to get a new tag every year. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the old tag from the bus. So we always just wanna wipe the dust off from the last one. And let's go ahead and put this new one on. Actually did better than expected. But there's the new one, guys.
Oh, man. Whew. I love my palm trees, but good grief. Sometimes the maintenance on it. Now, these things always come a little early, but they all of a sudden bloomed. I've never seen that yellow bloom before, but it's normally like that little green one over there. But now look up on there, all them bees. So that's like a ton of bees. So I'm gonna clip one of these things and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But let's just see what happens. I cut those this morning. But okay, scary cat. All right, I can't find a good one to cut without having to run like a little, well, let's try this one right here and see what happens. Wait a minute. Oh, my thing was tangled up. Oh shit. All right, here we go. All right, that was one. Let's see if we can get another one. I cut that one and it didn't even fall. Was that good? Was that some good content for you? Oh. All right, buddy. All right, let's try another one. I think I need to wait until nighttime. Cause they tend to go to sleep at nighttime. They go to sleep at nighttime, buddy. That last one, I'm gonna wait till nighttime because there's like too many bees and it's up in there. Ooh. That was my cardio for the day. That was my cardio for the day. We'll do the rest of that at nighttime.
Right now we're doing a table read just to go over the script to make sure everyone has their lines down and they sound good doing it. So you're only gonna get another sneak preview of this, not the full thing yet.
He walked past the boss's office and saw that he was dead. Camera cuts to all the workers seeing the dead body and not saying a word in shock. Cut to interior cubicles of day. Finn talking to co-worker's office.
So the boss is dead.
The camera zooms in on Finn.
Someone got tired of his shit.
Cut to interior kitchen day.
Well guys, that wraps up part 1 of this week's vlog. There's gonna be a part 2 which is coming out this Wednesday, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I hope that you enjoyed this part 1, but I know that you're gonna enjoy part 2 even more. And remember, if Caden can, you can too. Now look at this quick little sneak peek of part 2.